Psych!
What are we doing here today, buddy?
Installing my exhaust.
The exhaust?
Spray pipe.
Okay. Axle back.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Look at the tips. Sexy car.
There's some fat tips, bro.
Hey, yo,
My
pause.
bad. My bad.
It's alright. You cute though.
Thank you. I don't know how to spray. Yeah, it doesn't matter. What the fuck is in this?
Where? Bro, it's just metal shavings? I don't even know what that is.
Not my issue. Not my issue.
Hey, it's going on your car.
That's fine.
We have no idea what we're doing, but we will figure this out.
I did not read the instructions.
Yeah, we don't read instructions out here. We kind of just yellow it. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, but I don't feel like they shouldn't. All right, we will figure this out.
I got you. I got you. Nah, hold up. I got you. This goes here.
You sure?
No. Not at all. Not at all. Wait, I'm lost.
We will figure this out when we do. Update, we're not slightly retarded.
We figured it out.
We figured it out somehow.
We didn't use the instructions.
No instructions? Yeah, blow that shit up. Anyways, let's go put this thing on.
Tips.
The tips are going.
Should we just put them on later?
Yeah, we'll just put them on later.
Yeah.
Whatever. We ball. We are struggling. All right, let's go.
Penetrate. Penetrate. I don't know if it's penetrating.
It's not. It's not moving.
Penetrate.
Wait, wiggle it.
Ah, it's in. That's what she said.
Facts.
It is hot. It is hot down here.
Yeah.
I do not recommend doing exhaust in the summer or anywhere that is not ventilated
Or in general.
or in general. If you have the money, let a shop do your stuff. No, that's cap. We save money on this channel, right? Because I am broke. I am broke.
I'm in $600 credit card debt.
600?
Yeah, no, 700 actually.
700?
Wait, I'm trying the tips to make sure it doesn't like hit the diffuser.
Okay, we're good. We will be back. So we put in a new part. We just need to clamp this part down eventually, but otherwise the old part goes into the new part, or other way around, and then we just gotta clamp this down to tighten it. Alex is putting the tips on. Hey yo, I actually got this part off. We just need to tighten this. Tighten this eventually. You want to tighten down here first?
What?
You want to tighten the hose clamp first?
Yeah, I'm just double checking to make sure the tips are like right.
Okay, cool. I only got one battery.
These tools are so hot. Ow, ow, ow.
I mean,
ow.
yo, take them out of the sun.
Yeah, I forgot.
You're gonna die, bro.
Can I have the box really quick?
I don't read.
Same. I'm illiterate.
I want to take it that far, but I just don't read.
No, I'm basically literate.
Man said I got a 3rd grade reading level.
I do. I've been told that multiple times.
What?
I was having like a girl at school check my essay, and then she was like, "You have the reading level of a 3rd grader." I'm like, thank you.
Damn.
I'm like, alright, I don't know what I did to deserve that, but thank you.
No word. Did she fix it at least?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say like that's grimy.
No, that's foul as hell for no reason.
Okay.
So your boy is an official Camaro expert. Put on this exhaust with my boy
We got it.
for his car. Where can they find you at, bro?
Shit, toxic 1LE.
Toxic
You can
one.
spell that. It's not hard to spell.
Is it because you toxic, bro?
Yeah.
Now you
And mentally ill.
and mentally
A
ill.
little bit of both.
A little bit of both. All right, you know what to do, bro. There's only one thing left to do.
I don't know your outro.
Start it.
Oh, my bad.
You're like, come on, bro. It's your car. You're installed. You want your phone so I can record it?
What?
Your phone so I can record it, like you starting it? Oh, that thing is nasty.
I can smell it.
That thing is nasty. I love it.
Oh God.
It sounds great. I'm happy for you, man.
Thank you.
No problem. I'll help you anytime. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And this is your boy DJ and Alex, Toxic Man. We'll catch you. Peace.